is a deep tech startup based in Portugal specializing in smart biosensing systems for water analysis in real time. Our first product, the NOx Aqua, is the next generation solution to control nitrogen-based nutrients in all aquatic ecosystems.
It is based on an electrochemical biosensing platform that fits the palm of our hand. The device has two components: a disposable test strip modified with biological molecules, and this is where the uniqueness of our deep technology lies. These biological molecules mimic Mother Nature in detecting specific compounds, providing the analysis with exceptional selectivity and sensitivity. The second component is a reader that delivers results to a cell phone or existing control system.
NOx Aqua works at the point of measurement. It is easy to use and allows real-time monitoring and data digitation.
Our beachhead market is land-based aquaculture. With NOx Aqua, we aim to revolutionize the way that fish farmers manage and control the nitrogen-based nutrients, ammonium, nitrite, and nitrate, which is especially important in recirculating aquaculture systems, for which we also offer automation. This industry is highly dependent on water quality, which is critical to the welfare and growth of aquatic animals.
Hello, my name is Gabriela Almeida. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Nitrogen Sensing Solutions NS2. I'm a chemist by training and I hold a PhD in biochemistry. I have a long career as an academic and researcher. After working for over 20 years in electrochemical biosensors, I felt it was about time to transfer the deep technology developed in my lab to the marketplace to solve real problems. So I joined forces with my partner Maris, and I set up a small team of researchers who are very committed to tech transfer. As awardees of Human TechEU, my partner Maris Almeida and I had the privilege of participating in the EIC Business Idea Validation Bootcamp. This was an excellent opportunity to engage with program experts and receive valuable feedback on crucial aspects of our business, such as strategies for IP protection and market entry. We had the opportunity to meet with several mentors selected by us based on their expertise, filling in missing competencies within our company. Besides, the product experts also guided us through the application process for the EIC Accelerated Program.
During the bootcamp, connecting with other teams, especially fellow female entrepreneurs from the Human TechEU program, was truly inspiring. Sharing experience, expectations and concerns with them was personally rewarding. But our journey does not end. We are looking forward to participating in additional courses provided by the EIC service, with our next step being the Business Validation Program. The visibility provided by the Human TechEU Award also has opened doors for us to elite programs such as the Blue Invest EU, further advancing our entrepreneurial journey.
Our startup is getting off the ground. We are now in better position to attract significant funds from both public and private resources. We are considering applying to the EIC Accelerator and raising venture capital in the climate adaptation tech space.